Guys, this talent show is extremely awesome.
I know, these performances are so extremely good.
And looks like the next act are the 6 Mr. Men characters are going to perform a song they made.
Let's hope they played a very good, appropriate performance.
You will just have to wait and see because their performance is about to start.
That is the worst performance I've ever heard in my entire life.
Yeah? That song was so annoying that it made my ears hurt and it is stuck inside my head.
And you 6 deserve it to get hit by tomatoes.
Now we're going to kick you all out of the theater. And we're calling Mr. Happy and Little Miss Sunshine on you as well.
Mr. Grumpy, Mr. Grumble, Mr. Rude, Mr. Stubborn, Mr. Uppity, Mr. Mean, we cannot believe that you played I Wrote This. Twinkle Patrick are on a talent show stage in front of audience. You do realize that everyone hates that annoying song that made their ears hurt.
But Mr. Happy and Little Miss Sunshine, we really like that song.
I agree with Mr. Grumpy, that song we played was so awesome.
We don't care, and still, nobody likes that song that you were playing is extremely inappropriate.
That's it. You are grounded for 40 weeks.
Now go to your room right now.